St. Philomena PU College is launching a renewed website today. This website has reached millions of people in the olden days, and many people have viewed our information through this website. And today we are coming out with colorful designs, renewed functions and all other attractive designs. So this will capture the several minds, and I am sure this will help in giving our information to thousands of people, and millions of people will benefit to know more about our institute. So if you are desiring to know more about our institute, then please visit www.sppuc.org.